Today I'm going to show you how to make columns sticky while scrolling. It's very easy to do this with the Elementor page builder. Let's do it. Take a section with 2 columns. Take an image in the first column. Take an icon box in the second column. I've styled it my way, you can style it your way too. I duplicated the icon box multiple times so that it takes up more space than the image. Then I select the Images column, go to Advanced, click on Motion Effects, and choose Sticky Top. Turn on Stay in Column, and disable the mobile property, because this is only needed for desktop and tablet devices. Done. Now let's publish it. And check whether it's working or not. It's working perfectly. Thank you so much for watching the entire video.